All right, everyone, quick video to explain the module exams, how they work, and how to not accidentally wreck your grade. Now, what the exam is each module has an exam that checks whether you understand the core concepts, vocabulary, and frameworks from the module. Now, this is not a gotcha test. It's a competency check. If you did the reading, watched the lectures, and actually paid attention to the case study concepts, you will do extraordinarily fine. Now, the format and expectations, most exams are multiple choice or true and false. They're going to be focused on definitions, comparisons, and applications. And they're built from an extremely large question bank. So no two exams are going to be identical. That means if you copy answers from your buddy, it's going to be pointless because you're going to get every single one of them wrong. Your exams will not match theirs. Now, the big rule, it's one setting. Here's the part that matters. Once you open that exam, you need to be ready to finish it. Don't open it to see what it looks like. Don't open it while you're at work, at a car line, or in a shaky Wi-Fi connection. When you start, you start, and when time runs out, it will shut down. If you shut it down before that, it's over. Now, for attempts and late work, module exams are high stakes compared to the other assignments because they are a big point block. Now, also, no late work is accepted. Deadlines are very real. If it closes at 5 p.m., it closes at 5 p.m., not 5 p.m. and 59 seconds. So treat exams like the appointment you don't miss. Now, how to prepare for just a very simple plan. Here's the right way to study without wasting a bunch of time. Redo the pre-quiz questions mentally. That's your baseline. Use it as a checklist. Review your key terms and your frameworks from your textbook. The static one, if you just look up the objectives, that's going to be a big piece. Don't just memorize, make sure you can explain them in plain English. Use your module materials in the right order: lectures, reading, case study, Power BI. The exam pulls from the whole ecosystem of each module. If you don't know something, go fix the gap. That's the point of the course, closing gaps fast. Now, for your tech checklist to do before you open the exam for the very first time, use Chrome, don't use Edge. Close any extra tabs. Don't run updates in the background. Make sure your internet is very stable. And if you're on campus, test the connection early. If something breaks mid-exam, don't panic. Raise your hand if you're in class and tell me. If you're in person, just make sure you document and send me over everything immediately. If it's an online section, don't but it's going to be a little bit different. You'll have to show me your error messages. Now, most exam disasters are very much self-inflicted by starting unprepared. So the final exam or the exams are part of how you earn your points. They are not optional and they are not something you want to wing it. So start early, don't gamble with your deadlines, and don't click on an exam unless you're ready to finish it. Guys, go knock it out. You'll do great as long as you study. All right, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.